we'll be treating completing the square method, where we have 2x squared plus x minus 10 equal to 0. So we have to write this equation where we have 2x squared plus x equal to 10. And our next thing to do is to divide by the coefficient of x squared. So all we have to do is we use to divide the both side. So 2, which I'm going to cancel these 2. When we have s squared plus x all over 2 equal to 5. So our next step now is to find the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 1 over 2. And we are going to multiply it by 1 over 2 and square it. So what we have to do now, we have s squared plus 1 all over 2x equal to 5. Then we have it to be s squared plus 1 all over 2 x multiplied by bracket 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1 all over 2 square. Then we do the same to the have equal to 5 plus bracket 1 all over 2 multiply 1 all over 2. Then we have the square. Then we have it to be s squared. We have our s to be s plus, when we multiply this one we have 1, when we multiply this one we have 4. Then we have 1 all over 4 bracket 2. Then we have equal to 5 plus 1 all over 16. So our next step is to add. We have a fraction, a fraction here already, so we have to solve this to have, when we have 16, we have over 1 here. When we have 16 in 1, we have 16 multiplied by 5, we have 80 plus, when we have 16 in 16, we have 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. So we now have x plus 1 all over 4 equal to 81 all over 16. So all we have to do is to remove this bracket. All we have to do is to square it. Then we have plus or minus the square root of 81 all over 16. So the square root of 81 all over 16 is equal to 9 all over 4. So to get our final answer, we now have x equal to minus 1 over 4 plus or minus 9 all over 4. So let's first of all take the addition. So we have it to be equal to 1 minus 1 all over 4 plus 9 all over 4. So we have it to be, when we have the same LCM, we bring out 4. Addition of minus 1 plus 9 is 8. So we have 8. We have 2 as our first answer. So for the second one, we have x1 to be 2. Then we have s2 to be equal to, we bring down minus 1 all over 4 minus 9 all over 4. Then we have it to be equal to, so we add the denominator together, which we have minus 1 minus 9, which is equal to minus 10 all over 4. So when we have 2 here, we have 2, we divide by 2 here, we have 5. So we have our final, our h2 to be minus 5 all over 2. So we have our s to be 2 or minus 5 all over 2. So this is how to solve the completing the square method. So if you like my video, I would like to click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.